want to go over something here related to backing up configurations, and you always want to do this on central controllers, any other type of controller like a Microtech. This here is a central controller for City Multi-System AE-200, and the way that you get into these, here's the default username and password, but scroll around in here, it's pretty easy to find, but you're going to go in the backup, and then when I hit this, I get a data write error. So this way of backing it up, which is by far the easiest, is not working. So now we're going to have to go to plan B, and obviously, you know, you want to make sure this is formatted. Maybe try a different USB. I've done all of that, and there's something wrong with this controller. Also missing that status LED, this one, which can be a bad sign. But I'm hooked into LAN 1 right there. Would be to go in, so you're going to use the IP address along with this part here, and that's going to bring you straight to the web view, the web GUI basically. And supposedly there's supposed to be an option to back up the configuration in here somewhere under the utility tab, but I don't have any of that, and I'm logged in as the administrator here, so I should, but whatever reason that's not working. So the third method is to come in here and use the initial settings tool, which is right off a Mitsubishi website. It's right under the AE-200 software tab. So I'm going to go new, and we go in here, get this IP address, and this IP you can find off the central controller in the network tab. So let's see, where was I? Here, go there. Now, just take this part out. I'm honestly not sure that it matters, but I'm going to take it out anyway. Save that. Alright, now we're going to go up to data acquisition, acquire data, say no, and then put in the password, which is initial, or the username, and then the password in it. Okay, so now it's going to go through and download all of the different things. So first it's going to get general data, and then floor data, and a couple other categories. So we'll let this finish. Okay, it's complete now, so we'll hit OK. And successfully acquired, OK. So then if we go under here, you can see where I've pulled in all of the data. So now what I can do here is select save as, and then just call this whatever. Save it, and here it is right here. And you can see it's a very small file, but the data is there. And so this can be used to push to the new controller. This controller is having some issues, and I just want to make sure that I have this configuration backed up. This is really important. Anytime you set up a VRF system, you want to back up everything. Not only central controller stuff, but obviously submittals, every scrap of paperwork you can get your hands on, you want to keep it in a file. Alright, well, hopefully that helps get somebody out of the weeds.